The GoPro Hero12 Black is a high-performance waterproof action camera, perfect for capturing Ultra HD video and crisp photos in any environment. With 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 27-megapixel photo resolution, it offers stunning clarity and detail, making it ideal for action-packed moments. Equipped with a 1x1.9-inch image sensor and HDR capabilities, it enhances both video and photo quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Hero12 also supports live streaming and webcam functionality, adding versatility for content creators. With GoPro's advanced stabilization, it ensures smooth, shake-free footage, making it a powerful tool for adventurers and vloggers alike. Users love the GoPro Hero12 Black for its impressive 5.3K Ultra HD video and 27-megapixel photos, both of which deliver high-quality visuals that capture every detail. The advanced stabilization is a standout feature, providing gimbal-like smoothness even in dynamic action scenes. Many users also appreciate the HDR functionality, which brings out vivid colors and balanced exposures, enhancing footage quality in various lighting conditions. The waterproof design makes it perfect for underwater adventures, while the live streaming and webcam modes expand its use for content creation. Its compact, rugged build allows it to withstand rough conditions, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts. While the GoPro Hero12 Black excels in performance, some users have noted potential downsides. The battery life may drain faster when recording in high-resolution 5.3K or using stabilization, making extra batteries a wise investment for longer sessions. A few users mention that the camera can overheat during prolonged 5.3K recordings, which might require breaks to prevent interruptions. Additionally, live streaming and webcam functions are best suited for strong Wi-Fi connections, which could be a limitation in remote areas. These considerations may impact users based on their specific usage patterns and settings. The GoPro Hero12 Black is an outstanding choice for capturing high-quality, stabilized footage in any environment. With 5.3K video, HDR support, and live streaming capabilities, it's designed for creators and adventurers seeking top-notch visuals. While the battery life in high-res modes and occasional overheating may require planning, the Hero12's durability, versatility, and advanced image quality make it a fantastic action camera for both personal use and professional content creation. For more info and in-depth insights, catch the detailed review on GenX Reviewer.